Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple all double crochet hat pattern. For this demonstration, I'm going to use DMC Nitty 4. This is in 50 grams. The color is pink. And I'm going to use the cream one for the secondary color. Of course, we have our yarn needle. I'm going to make use of my 5mm crochet hook, and we have our scissors. So let's get started. So to start off, we're going to make our slip knot and chain 3. We're going to make 10 double crochets on the third chain from the hook. So basically this is the first chain that we made from our hook. This will be our last. So yarn over and make 10 double crochets on that chain. So now I have made 10 double crochets. That is not including the chain 3 that we made. So we're going to slip stitch join. For round 2, we're going to chain 2. And this is an increased round, so we're going to make 2 double crochets in every chain. Our chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. So make 2 doubles on the very first chain, 2 double crochet again on the next, so continue doing your increase round, making 2 double crochets in every chain, and when you reach the end, we're going to slip stitch on our first double crochet. Round 3, we're going to chain 2. And this will be an alternate increase. As always, our chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch, so make your first double crochet on the same chain, make another double crochet, so that will be our increase. On the next chain, make 1 double crochet, and on the next we have an increase, 2 double crochets. So that will be our repeat, alternate increase. After making your 2 double crochets on the next chain, 1 double crochet on the next, and then increase again, making 2 double crochet on the next chain, 1 double crochet on the next. So continue doing this until you reach the very end, the last stitch, and you're going to end with a single double crochet and slip stitch on top of our first double crochet. So slip stitch on the first double crochet, For round 4, chain 2, two double crochet on the very first chain, one double crochet on the next 2 stitches, then an increase. Then one double crochet on the next 2 stitches, and on the next chain we're going to make our increase of 2 double crochet. Then one double crochet again on the next 2 chains, and an increase on the next. So this will be our repeat, increase and one double crochet on the next 2 chains. For our next round, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the very first chain, this time we're going to make a 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. And an increase. And 3 double crochet again on the next 3 chains. And an increase of 2 double crochet on that single chain. So continue doing your increase of 2 double crochet, and on the next 3 chains we're going to make 1 double crochet on each chain. And now we are reached our end. We're going to slip stitch. And for the next round we're going to make 1 double crochet in each chain around. So chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in every chain. So continue doing your 1 double crochet in every chain until you reach the very end, and we're going to slip stitch on the first double crochet that we made. Remember, our chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. So now we are done with our round 6 and we are ready to slip stitch. For rounds 7 Next is we're going to make 4 to 5 rounds of double crochet. So we're just going to repeat round 6 for the next 4 or 5 rounds. So chain 2 and 1 double crochet in every chain. So now we're ready to slip stitch, and we're going to hide our chain 2 and slip stitch on the next double crochet or on the next front post that we did, so you will not be seeing our chain 2 where we start. So for the last and final round, we're just going to repeat what we did. So we're going to chain 2 and again make 1 front post double crochet in every chain around. So now we are on our last 2 stitches. And again, we're going to hide our chain 2 and we're going to slip stitch on the next chain. Now we are ready to fasten off and cut our yarn. So now we are done with our hat, and we're just going to make a small accent of heart, and we're going to put it on the side. To make your small heart, I'll be using a smaller hook and the second color of yarn that I use. Make your magic circle. Chain 1 and we're going to make 3 double crochet in the ring. After making your 3 double crochet, make 2 single crochet. One double crochet, two single crochet, 3 double crochet again. Chain 1, and we can close our heart. And we're going to slip stitch into the ring. Now we have finished our small heart. We are ready to fasten off, and we're going to attach this one in our hat. So now we are done with our hat, and I will put the link on the description box below for the free pattern for this basic double crochet beanie, because I just added this last two rounds of front post double crochet. There are different sizes as well, so you can just check it out. So happy crocheting, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial for today. Stay safe, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.